Welcome to Carpet Supermart. My name is Arthur Jordan. I want to try to simplify the buying process of carpet. We realize how difficult it is. You are bombarded constantly by all types of ads about all types of fiber and all types of constructions. We're standing now in front of the Stainmaster Flooring Center. We have been chosen by Stainmaster to represent them. We are part of an elite group that can offer Stainmaster products with extended warranties that no one else has. Stainmaster has chosen us because of our longevity in business and because of the quality of our personnel. What I'd like to show you first is the types of constructions of carpet. This helps you determine what's best for your needs. We have the textured carpet and we have plush carpet. The plush carpet is going to show every single footprint. The textured carpet is not going to show nearly as much. The textured carpet is made for the family that really lives in their home. Several kids, maybe some pets, that kind of thing. It's ideal for. Then we have what's called frise. A lot of people remember it as the old shag, but it's not the old shag. It's much different. This construction, the yarn has got a much tighter twist in it. So the yarn lays in all different directions. It's very, very casual looking. Again, it's ideal for the lived-in type home. The next product is a Berber. It's an all loop construction. All Berbers are all loop. Don't let it be confused by people saying they have a Berber type carpet or Berber fleck carpet, because those are not Berber construction. That is just a color technology they're talking about. The loop pile construction is the most durable construction there is. The only negative, if there is a negative to some people, it's not quite as soft or comfortable as they may want. But in today's technology, they've come out with many, many very soft products, even in the Berber construction. The next type, and probably the most popular thing going right now, is the cut and loop construction. This is designed to give you the best of both worlds. You get the luxury of the cut pile and the durability of the loop pile mixed together. They give you many, many types of patterns. Probably the most popular of all is what we call a pin dot construction. We have a lot of people in this area who like that look because it's a very elegant, traditional look. The last construction is the True Soft yarn. True Soft is the softest nylon available today. It will be the most durable, the easiest to clean, but most importantly, it is the softest. I've gone through this process to try to make you think about your household, the way you live, the number of people in your house, how bad y'all are at spilling, how bad y'all are at not cleaning up maybe like you should, to determine which type of product is best for you. From here, I will take you and show you many different price points that are available in every construction. All of these carpets come from prices anywhere from $1.59 a square foot up to $5 to $6 a square foot, depending on what your budget is. We're still at the Stainmaster Education Center. It's very, very important for the consumer, being you of course, to see their product in all types of light. We have fluorescent lights in our showroom. You have incandescent at home. And you need to know how that's going to look, because the colors will change. This lighting center or color lab that we have here kind of demonstrates what I'm trying to say. On this side, this is the way the carpet looks in the showroom. On this side, this shows you what it would look like in your home at night, as well as in your home during the day. And as you can see, there's a big difference in the way the color looks. We allow you to take samples home, take them to your home, put them on the floor, put them in different rooms, look under different light to make sure this is the right color that you want. We're still at the Stainmaster Education Center. Now we're going to show you about cushion. Stainmaster makes treatment for many, many different cushions, many different qualities. We handle 3 to 4 of their better quality pads, starting with the Stainmaster Standard Cushion. This product has got a coating on it. This coating is designed to keep moisture, to keep stains from penetrating into the pad and therefore penetrating down into your subfloor. The best pad they make has the odor guard and enzyme built into it. This is the only product available that Stainmaster makes that has the enzymes that literally eat the odors out of the carpet. It's a miracle product. If you have a pet that goes to the bathroom, and I'm sure by accident, of course, on your carpet and you go blot it all up, the enzymes that are built into this product literally eat the urine out of the carpet as well as the odor. It's a fantastic product for people that have a really lived-in type of house.